We win some, we lose some. Pancakes, I have oats, I have baked oats, just a lot of oats.
Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with a bright red.
I got an appetite, let's bake ourselves a treat. What you've been mixing, serve it up the way you please. I love the way you shake, you stir, you heat, you squeeze. So thick, push up and butter me.
Poke that, push that, shake that, smack that, mix that, up that, marinate that. We don't need a recipe.
Whip that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me. Baby, shade up, we can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. Whip that cream, whip that. Preheat this oven up like 5,000 degrees. It's almost ready, we've been craving this all week. Baby, you want it, I got it. I'm hooked on you like phonics. Gotta be honest, you're on it, and this ain't no time to be modest.
Poke that, push that, shake that, girl, take your last name, let's hyphenate that. We don't need a recipe.
Whip that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me. Baby, shade up, we can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. Whip that cream, whip that and that sweet on me. We can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. Whip that cream, baby, pour that sweet on me. Baby, shade up, we can cook up, we can stir up when we hook up, just you and me. Whip that cream, whip that cream.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I thought I would do a what I eat in a day, but also I'm gonna go and buy food today as well. I'm gonna go to Chipotle, so I thought it would be fun to show you what I had for breakfast, which you saw in the clip before, and what I eat during the day and what I'm gonna have at Chipotle. And yeah, I can't wait. Right now I'm gonna start to do some studying. I have to finish a paper that's due in, and then I will head out to Chipotle and buy my dinner because it's about an hour-ish walk to there and back, so I go a bit earlier, and then I'll come back, do some more work, PT work, and then I'll show you all of my snacks, all of the fruit and things that I eat, because I do love a good snack. I get quite hungry all the time. I get very, very hungry. My breakfast, normally I have a sweet breakfast, so I have, you know, pancakes, I have oats, I have baked oats, just a lot of oats, but I love having fruit and chocolate and honey in my breakfast. But I just made a fresh homemade bread, which is actually on the blog, which I'll put in the description box below, and I was craving scrambled eggs and toast, so that's what I did. But I also need something sweet, like I just love it, so I had yogurt, banana, I had a couple of Gnawbles, the hazelnot flavour, which is so yummy, and I just got a delivery with their new product, so yeah, that's what I put in there. And then I had chia seeds and honey, which yeah, is my favorite. So that was in my breakfast, and I'm still full. It's not been that long. It's been about half an hour, maybe an hour. I don't know. I was on Instagram for a little bit. But anyway, so it's 9-ish o'clock now. I know it's not eating, but what I consume today, I drink a lot of water, like a lot of water. And so I have a glass of water by my thing, and once I finish that, I go into the kitchen and I get some. Sometimes I bring my whole jug on the desk and pour water every time I finish it. And I usually get drink two to three of the jugs every day. So I will show you what that looks like, and that is just really important for your digestion, for your skin, for your gut health. Like, water is so important, and we're made up, majority of our body is made up of water, so we definitely need to replenish all the time. Water is so important for your brain and mental capacity, and I really learned that when I had my stroke, and I realized that like my brain really needed hydration, rebuild my brain, and so that's what I still aim to do. I'm going to drink my water and get on to some work, and I'll catch you when I next eat. I'm actually running a bit late, so I'm just going to get a little snack. I'm not actually, I hope you can't hear my washing machine, but yeah, I'm just going to get a little snack because I'm still quite full from breakfast. I get a little snack. I have some like homemade granola bars, and I might get some grapes and put them in a Tupperware. Yeah, so I'll do that, and maybe I'll have the snack when I'm out. Packed my Creative Nature tote bag because we are going on a hunt for the last Easter eggs of Nomo. So I have the chocolate one and the hazelnut one, but I want the caramel, the fruit and chalk. Yeah, those are the only two. So I want 4 of them for Easter. So we're going to probably go into every Sainsbury's until I find them. And Tesco. So that will be fun.
Tell you're the type of girl that's got good things to say. Got a big bright heart that could match your eyes like the stars up in outer space. And that's why I'm gonna take a chance. I see that, please take my hand out on the floor. There's something I want more than to offer you this dance. With every smile you got me wishing on every star beyond my reach. With every move you've got me dreaming of who you and I could be. If there was ever a love so perfect, gotta believe it's you.
So we win some, we lose some. So yeah, I got drenched, soaked, everything. I've changed my jeans to legging. I walked like, I think it was a 2-hour walk, pretty much an hour and a half in the rain. Wow. We managed to get 1 Easter egg. Not the flavour that I intended to, but I forgot there was another one. So we got the salted caramel, sea salt and caramel Easter eggs. So I have 3, I need 2 more. It's gonna happen, we're gonna get all 5. So yeah, and then I got my Chipotle. It was soaked, it's all wrecked, but we managed to get it through, and I cannot wait for that for dinner. I'm going to make some oat tortillas, not with corn, oats, so that I can have like tortilla crisps to dip in the guacamole, and I'll have some wine and just like chill out. I might have a dessert later, but yeah, I'm really excited for the evening. I'm gonna do some PT work now, and I'll have dinner and I'll show you that. So yeah, I am all dry now and warm.
Got me dreaming
it's the next day now. It's Saturday. Happy weekend. I just wanted to close out the video. You saw all of my food for the day, and the Chipotle was amazing, and then I had a little pudding, and that's it. I did snack on a lot more Gnawbles than I showed you on camera, but if you had Gnawbles, you'll know why. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you want to see more videos, if you like what I eat in a day, and also hit that subscribe button, the like button, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post new videos, which is at 5 p.m. every Saturday. So I'll see you next time.
Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with a bright red